How to get rid of animal pests with hot pepper spray. Most gardeners love observing animals, but few want animals in their garden eating their treasured plants. This spray is made from hot peppers of the genus capsicum. This spray is effective because it contains capsaicin. To us, this constituent gives food. We add it to a hot sensation, but for many animals, especially mammals, it's a repellent. Here is how to make it. Steps. 1. Understand how the spray works. Hot peppers have a compound in them called capsaicin. Mammals are sensitive to capsaicin, and the compound registers on their taste buds as hot and serves as an irritant. This spray is considered to be effective for such garden animal pests as deer, rabbits, voles, squirrels, possums, and insects. 2. Take 1 quart, 950 milliliters, of water and put it in a pot. 3. Take 1/2 cup of dried hot peppers, available at most Asian groceries, and put them in the pot. 4. Bring the pot of water and peppers to just barely boiling. Then turn off the heat and let it cool to room temperature. 5. Strain out the peppers and throw them away. 6. Put the liquid into a spray bottle. Label it so that anyone coming across it knows what the contents are. It's also a good idea to add the date to it. For added sticking power, you might like to add a few drops of pure dish soap to the liquid as well. 7. Spray it on the plants you want to protect. Always wear gloves and eye protection before using this spray. It can burn your skin and eyes if it touches them and it's painful. Be sure to spray the entire plant for full protection. Shake before using. Use the spray early morning or in the evening. If sprayed in the heat of the day, it may burn the plants. If you're not sure how sensitive plants will cope, test a small area first. Wait 4 days, and if the plant doesn't react, then using the spray on it should be okay. Do not spray this on windy days. The back spray may hit you or go anywhere but on the plants you're trying to protect. As mentioned earlier, do not spray anywhere near waterways, lakes, or ponds. 8. Re-spray every week for maximum benefit. It will also need to be reapplied after rain. Tips. The spray will need to be re-applied approximately every week and after it rains. This spray should also be a help in deterring dogs and cats that are relieving themselves near favorite plants. Fresh hot peppers will also work. Mincing them and letting them soak for at least a day will produce the best results. Hot pepper spray will also deter some insect pests, such as flea beetles and aphids. Birds are not sensitive to capsaicin. Many birds will still eat bird seed that has been squirrel-proofed by being dusted with hot pepper powder. However, it is possible that the powdered form impacts some birds. Just don't rely on it as your main anti-bird method. Warnings. Do not get the hot pepper spray in your eyes or on your skin. It really hurts. Avoid relying on this as the only method for deterring animal pests from your garden. Mend broken fences and holes in fences, keep gates shut, keep pet food indoors to avoid easy feasting, keep garbage contained and clean, fence off vegetable gardens, use bird netting and other physical barriers as well. Do not use this spray near waterways, lakes, or ponds. The effect on aquatic life is unknown and it may harm your backyard fish. Never spray directly at an animal. This is for plant use only. If you're spraying vegetables, you'll either have to stop spraying when the vegetables are close to ripening, or wash the harvested vegetables well. Capsaicin is extremely toxic to bees and other beneficial pollinators. If your garden depends on them, consider using a different repellent. Things. A pot, 2 quart size. 2 cup of dried hot peppers. 1 quart 950 milliliters water. Strainer. Spray bottle.